MESA's National Engineering Design Competition is a great opportunity for the MESA programs throughout the country to bring students together to compete at a higher level with one of the most challenging competitions that we have.
The competition is a year-long process for these students. They receive the specifications, and then we ask them to go into the engineering design process or really kind of think about what does human design mean, and that means kind of starting with the client in mind. That's where we ask the students to go out into their communities to look for areas where they can enact change.
It really helps you learn about not only problems in your community, but like everyone around the world.
I've never been in a computer science or engineering design competition ever in my life. Being here has been nothing but great and amazing for my team, my school. MESA has given me opportunities to connect, to build upon my skills and more experiences than I could at home.
I really like competing in MESA since it makes me feel proud of myself once I accomplish things. This project, it was a really meaningful thing to not just us, but other people in our community. Now I'm more prepared for high school and then also trying to go into the STEM field in the rest of my life as well.
I actually won NEDC in 2015. From then to now, I've grown so much as a person and I've grown so much professionally. And NEDC allowed me that opportunity to improve my skills as an engineer, even though I didn't know it at the time. It feels so good to be back, to see so many bright young minds in the audience today, seeing them pursue this project. It makes me excited to see what it is to come for their future.
It's a great investment in terms of the future of our youth, but the future of our society and of our economy as well.
There's an urgent need to grow our workforce. There's an urgent need to solve our changing environment, our changing world. Employers are seeking employees who are going to be their leaders, who are going to be the innovators in their organization. NEDC is a great organization to partner with and help cultivate that talent who will be their future employees.